Good morning, students. Next we will do exercise 7.2, question number 3rd. So the question is ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. So what they ask the question? ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is ABC isosceles triangle in which equal sides are which one? AC and AB. This AC and this AB sides are equal. It is given. AB equal to AC. Alright. So if AB equal to AC, then what? Angle B equal to angle C? Yes or no? So what is the property? Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. अगर देखो isosceles triangle के बीच opposite sides equal नहीं, फिर ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ opposite sides के ਜਿਹੜੇ opposite angles होंगे, that it is also equal. So the reason is angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. So this is the reason angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. ठीक है? Now next we have to show that here one thing more. BE and CF are what? They are altitudes. They are altitudes to the sides. This BE altitude to side AC and this CF altitude to side AB. So meaning of altitude is what? It is height. And the altitude is always perpendicular to the base. The height होगी हमेशा base के perpendicular होगी. That's why this BE is perpendicular to AC and this CF is perpendicular to AB. Alright. We have to show that these altitudes are equal. उसे show के करने के लिए altitudes ने, ਜਿਹੜੀ heights ने, which one? BE and CF that are equal also. Okay. So you can see here this BE and this CF. It comes in triangle BFC. BFC and this BE altitude comes in triangle BEC. ठीक है, मैं ट्रायंगल्स टू सेपरेटली ड्रॉ कर दिया ताकि दोनों क्लियर हो जाए. So this you can see here this CF altitudes come in triangle BFC and this BE altitude comes in triangle BEC. Alright, this is 90 degree. ठीक है, now we have to prove that what we have to prove? We have to prove BE equal to CF. इसे prove करने के लिए altitudes नहीं दिया equal. So दूसरी की करोगे you have to prove these two triangles congruent. जैसे दोनों triangles को congruent prove करोगे. Okay, जो तो congruent proof होके then it can be BE equal to CF by CP/CD. So in triangle, this triangle is which one? BFC and the triangle on right side is BEC. Okay, you can write here BFC and here triangle CEB. You can write here CEB. Both are this right triangle. दोनों right triangles हैं, ठीक है? Because one angle is of 90 degree. एक angle का measure 90 degree. Alright. So the first part is which one? You can write here angle BFC equal to angle CEB 90 degree each. Angle BFC equal to angle CEB. The result is 90 degree each. The second one is you can see here angle B equal to angle C. Proof above. ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ proof कर चुके हैं क्योंकि triangle देखो isosceles triangle के opposite sides equal से दिया. Then its opposite angles are also equal. So you can write angle B equal to angle C. You can write the full name of this angle C. Angle FBC equal to angle ECB. ECB. The result is proof above. ठीक है, ऊपर proof कर चुके हैं. Now the third one is you can see here this BC side is common in both of these two triangles. The BC side that is common in this both triangles. You can write here BC equal to BC, reason common. Alright. So you can see here, you can take two triangle and one side. So this is side, this is angle, and this is what? This is also angle. So this is angle of measure 90 degree, and this is what? This is the hypotenuse. Okay. This is right angle, this is hypotenuse, and this is what? This is angle. So we can write here. तो सी RHS नहीं लिख सकते because RHS रूल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ right angle ਇੱਕ hypotenuse ਇੱਕ side ਹੈ but ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ in this question you can take two angles ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋ angles ਲਏਗੇ so you can write here angle side by AAS congruence rule by AAS congruence rule triangle which one BFC congruent to triangle CEB. Alright, triangle BFC congruent to triangle CEB. Now देखो triangles congruent हो गए. Now you can take this altitude CF and in this triangle you can take BE. So you can write BE equal to CF by CPCT. So what is CPCT? Congruent part of the congruent triangle. So as proved, this is your question number 3rd. Next, question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. So students, this question number 4 is same as question number 3rd. ठीक है? But in which की कहना है कि ABC triangle isosceles given नहीं है. ठीक है? तो इसे isosceles prove करना है. You have to prove it isosceles. In which you have to prove AB equal to AC. In the question number 3rd, this AB equal to AC is given. Okay? And in the third question, given that BE and CF मतलब जेडे BE और CF से altitude उसे उन्होंने equal prove करना सीखा. You have to prove it equal in question number 3rd. But in this question, BE and CF altitudes are given equal. इस question में तो already given है कि equal नहीं. ठीक है? So given is here, but BE equal to CF. It is given. BE and CF are also altitude. BE altitude to side AC and CF is altitude to side AB. So altitude is what? Height. Alright. Now we have to show that first part triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. So तुझे इस क्वेश्चन से दो पार्ट प्रूव करने हैं. First you have to prove the triangle congruent and second one AB equal to AC. If AB equal to AC then what? Two sides are equal. Then it is a isosceles triangle. Alright, so we have to prove triangle ABE and triangle ACF congruent. So what is ABE? This is ABE. This one. ABE. This is 90 degree. It is given. Altitude BE and CF. ठीक है? Altitude हमेशा क्या होगा? Perpendicular होगा base पे. It is always perpendicular to the base. And the next triangle is which one? ACF. This one. ACF. ACF. This is also 90 degree. ठीक है? So you can write first part in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. So in triangle ABE and ACF, which is the first part? The first part is you can write here BE equal to CF given in the question. You write BE equal to CF given. Second one is you can see here angle A is common. Angle is common in both these two triangles. Angle A common है, check करो, ठीक है? Angle A, angle A. So you can write here angle A equal to angle A common. And the third one is you can see here this angle BEA and angle CFA. It is of measure 90 degree each. So you can write angle BEA equal to angle CFA. The reason is what? 90 degree each. Alright. So this is side, this is angle, this is angle. So which criteria is here? This is side, this is angle, and this is again angle. So you can write here angle, angle, side. by AAS. By AAS congruous to triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट मेरा सीधा B equal to CF, second one is angle A equal to angle A common, and the third one is this angle and this angle F is of 90 degree measure. So by AS congruous to triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. So this is your first part. Now second part is AB equal to AC. So you can see here AB is the part of this triangle ABE and AC is the part of this triangle ACF. So you can take it equal by CPCT. Second is AB equal to AC by CPCT. क्योंकि तुझे ऑलरेडी ट्रायंगल्स को कॉम्प्लीट प्रूफ कर चुके हैं इन फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो ट्रायंगल्स कॉम्प्लीट प्रूफ करने के बाद यू कैन टेक एनी टू ऑफ इट्स पार्ट इक्वल. सो यू कैन टेक AB and AC equal by CPCT. If AB equal to AC, then what? In the triangle, if two sides are equal, then it is the isosceles triangle. Therefore, this implies ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is your question number 4. Next, this is your question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. So in this question, there are two triangles and both are isosceles. The first one is ABC and the second one is DBC. You can see here both of these isosceles triangles having same base, that is BC. मतलब दोनों का जो base है that is common. BC is the common base of both this isosceles triangle. And in the isosceles triangle, there are two equal sides. So the first ABC triangle, this AB side equal to this BC, and this isosceles triangle DB side equal to DC. So you can write in the given AB equal to AC and DB equal to DC. Now you have to show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. तो सीखी शो करते हैं कि this angle ABD is complete angle equal to this angle ACD, this complete angle. You have to prove it equal. Alright. So first you can take this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, side AB is equal to which one? AC. So if the opposite sides are equal, then what? Angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. If this AB and AC are equal, then the angle opposite to this AB side is which one? Angle ACB. And angle opposite to this AC side is which one? Angle ABC. So it is also equal. So you can write here angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Alright. So the result is angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. You can also write the result. Okay, so this is your first equation, equation number 1. Now in the second triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, which two sides are equal? Side DB equal to side DC. DB equal to DC. ठीक है? Because triangle is isosceles. Now again you can take the same property. If this DB and DC are equal, then what? This angle DBC equal to angle DCB. The reason is same. Angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. ठीक है, तो एंगल सेपरेट ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. So this AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. You can name this full name. तुसी angle तो पूरा नहीं लिखोगे. Don't write angle B only. You can write angle ABC and angle ACB in this way. And in this triangle, this DB side equal to DC, then angle DBC equal to angle DCB. Because this angle DBC opposite to side DC and this angle DCB opposite to side DB. It is also equal. So you can write here angle DBC equal to angle DCB. So the result is same. You can write here angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Now take this equation over 2. Now you can adding equation 1 and 2. इससे दोनों को add करो. You can see here this equal to this one and this angle equal to this one. If you adding both this equation 1 and 2, then when you add this angles, जब तुम ये दोनों को add करोगे, this one and this one. If you add angle ABC plus angle DBC, then what will come? Angle ABD, complete angle आऊगा, ठीक है? अगर तुम दोनों angles को add करोगे, तब अपने को angle मिला होगा, we get angle ABD. So write them adding equation 1 and 2. So you get जो भी तुम ऐड करोगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड में राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में अलग ऐड करोगे, राइट हैंड साइड में अलग ऐड करोगे सेपरेट. सो एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल DBC इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACB प्लस एंगल DCB. All right, when you adding both this equation, you have to add left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Now when you add these two angles, angle ABC plus angle DBC, so it will become angle ABD, and when you add this angle ACB and angle DCB, then it will become angle ACD. Angle ACD. So you can see here, ठीक है, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Hence 2. Alright, so this is your question number 5. Thank you.